Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Schlage for Connect Smart Lock Setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate your Schlage Connect Smart Lock. Ensure that your lock is installed properly on your door. Download the Schlage app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the app once it's downloaded. Create a new account by selecting the Sign Up option. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Follow the prompts to confirm your email address. Once your email is verified, return to the app and log in with your credentials. Choose the option to add a new device. Select Schlage Connect from the list of devices. The app will prompt you to enter your lock's programming code. You can find this code on a sticker inside the battery compartment of your lock. Turn the lock's interior thumb turn to the left. Once the lock is in pairing mode, the app will search for your device. Wait a moment while the app scans for your Schlage Connect lock. When your lock appears in the app, tap on it to begin the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Make sure to test the lock's functionality from the app. You can now manage your lock remotely and customize settings as desired. Congratulations, you've successfully registered your Schlage Connect Smart Lock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.